Okay, stepping down inside this 2011 Cruisers 360, June 20th, 2024. This boat is exceptionally clean. Beautiful interior. The carpet was replaced 3 years ago with this gorgeous looking hardwood, all custom done. As you can see, nice roomy mid cabin that makes into a bedroom, sleeping area, or a couch by day. Got TV and everything back there, DVD. Lots of space. Beautiful cabinetry. Nice head with a separate stall shower. There's a door there, as you can see. Vacuum flush. No, that's, yeah, vacuum flush. Refrigerator was replaced about 2 years ago. Next, I'll get videos of the engine.